For over 3 years, if you asked me who I was closest with, the answer would be my iPhone 7. I'd wake up next to it, it would always be with me when I would eat my meals, we'd run together, we study together, and we even had face hugs, which were honestly sometimes pretty painful. Ow! We were inseparable until the unthinkable happened. 97 days, 13 hours, and 22 minutes ago, I realized that something was wrong. All of the most seemingly important features like voice recording, calling, and recording video were gone. Unfortunately, I found out that this was an incurable problem and I would end up having to get a new phone. So it was time to get rid of my iPhone, even though we'd spent lots of time together, and it was time for a new chapter in my life. Three months later, and minus a lot of money, I finally got a new phone, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm not gonna lie, for a little bit of time I was considering not having another iPhone because I read that apparently the glitches that happened were caused by Apple that doesn't want you to keep your phone for more than 3 to 4 years. But since I anyways was considering getting a vlog camera and I saw all of the reviews about the amazing 3 cameras, I figured it was worth a shot. And honestly, I have to say, I'm pretty happy with my investment. The cameras are definitely pretty amazing and they're really close to the quality of a vlog camera, and I definitely love a lot of the other features too, like the Memoji, which I know isn't just for the iPhone 11, but overall it is a pretty cool feature, and once I made it, I got really excited and now I'm sending it to everybody I know. Okay, it's working. So, hey everyone, I guess I just wanted to show you really quickly how it turned out. I think it's pretty cool, and I'm not really sure if I'll be using this very much in the future, but I still think it's a really cool option, and that's all I really have for this part, so let's get back into the video. But yeah, I thought that was a pretty cool option. And other features like the fact that the screen is a lot bigger than my iPhone 7, so just all of the new features of the software update like dark mode and increased battery percentage life are definitely things that I can really appreciate. But having a phone that was glitching all the time and just had a lot of issues honestly made me really appreciate how amazing it is having a phone that can film and let you call people and do all of the things that you need to do. Going for 3.5 months with a more or less not that great phone definitely was a great starting point for me to spend a lot less time with my phone, and I overall have cut my usage of it a lot more, especially by using the screen time app and checking how long I've been on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!